Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So today we'll start a new chapter, that is major crops. So when we talk about these crops, first thing first, that agriculture. Okay, so all when the process by which these crops are grown, this is known as farming, and we also know it as agriculture. So when we talk about this agriculture, so agriculture, as we know, it's a primary activity. It's a primary activity in which a lot of people from all over the world are engaged. Now, however, as we see, like arable land is very limited. Alright. Hence, what happens? Humans make an informed choice of what to grow on the basis of the needs of the population. Now, when they thought of all these things, for growing crops, it's not so easy. A number of physical, economic, and social factors influence the choice of crops grown in a particular region. So, in different places, different crops are grown. It's not that the same crops are grown in all the places. It's not possible. So, these crops, they provide food and raw materials for the agro-based industries. Alright, so all these crops, they provide food and raw materials for the agro-based industries. So we'll study about the major crops grown in the world. Alright, so when we talk about these major crops, a variety of crops are grown all over the world. Alright, a variety of crops are grown all over the world. Now, on the basis of their use, crops are categorized into different types. Alright. Now, what are the categories? As we can see, like crops are categorized like food crops, commercial crops, plantation crops, beverage crops, and fiber crops. So, all these different kinds of crops are categorized into different types. So, first we have that is food crops. Now guys, crops which are grown for the purpose of consumption, so these kinds of crops are called food crops. Okay, now under these, the food crops include such as cereals like rice, wheat, maize, and millet. So all these are very necessary for all of us. Alright, so all these crops comes under these food crops. Okay. So, one by one we'll discuss. First, that is the most important one and the most commonly used, that is rice. Alright. Now, when we talk about rice, now this rice, the most cultivated crop in the whole world is rice. Alright. It's the most cultivated crop in the whole world. Now, as it forms the staple diet of more than half of the world. So, it forms the staple diet for more than half of the world. Now, rice basically it's cultivated in the tropical and the subtropical regions of the world. Alright, tropical and subtropical regions. Now, while cultivating these different crops, various factors are responsible. Alright, so likewise, the cultivation of rice also requires different things, and we'll discuss about it. First thing that is most important, that is hot and humid climate. Yes, so hot and humid climate is responsible for rice cultivation. Second, temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius during the growing time. So, temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Now, along with that, it's like grown in those areas where rainfall is under much higher rate. So, rainfall, it needs rainfall around 150 to 200 centimeter. Alright. Now, alluvial and clay soil with water retention capacity. Yes, it's not grown in all the types of soil. So, alluvial clay soil, that is necessary for the cultivation of rice. Alright. So, as it has got the higher water retention capacity. Alright. Next that we have, that is plenty of standing water. As you can see in the pictures, like plenty of standing water, it's required during the growing period of this rice. Alright, water needs to be there. So these things are required, and also the most important thing, it's not it cannot be done with the help of 2 to 3 people or a group of 5 to 10 people. So a large number of laborers are required for the cultivation of rice. All right, so all these important things, these are like needed, these are the requirements for the cultivation of rice. Now if we see China, in the whole world, China is the largest producer of rice, and other countries such as India, Bangladesh, Japan, North and South Korea, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Egypt and USA come after China. Alright, now in India, if we see like West Bengal, our West Bengal is the leading producer of rice. Alright, and followed by them, that is Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now another important information, guys, that we have, that is do you know, like there are over 10,000 varieties of rice grown all over the world, but out of which only 4,000 alone are grown in India. Okay, so out of which 4,000 alone are grown in India. So from the India's point of view, in the cultivation of rice, we are like a much higher rated. All right, so these are the things. Now next we have, that is wheat. Now likewise, as we have rice, we have discussed about rice, that is the most cultivated crop. The second most cultivated crop in the whole world is the wheat. Alright, now it grows in countries located in the mid latitudes and in the dry subtropical regions. So in these areas wheat is grown. Now same way, for the cultivation of wheat also there are lots of requirements. Let's see one by one. First thing, that is rolling or undulating plain areas. That so it cannot be like normal plain areas. It must be rolling and undulating, like waves, ups and downs must be there. So in these areas, so wheat is grown. All right. Now temperature, moderate temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, like very important for this cultivation of wheat. And rainfall, if we in accordance to rice, rainfall needed is but much lower, that is around 50 to 75 centimeter or the moderate rainfall during the growing season, so it can be grown. Alright, and weather, if we see, cool and moist weather during the growing season and bright sunshine at the times of harvesting. These are the most important requirements for the growing of wheat. And frost-free weather for around 100 days. These are the most important things. Frost-free weather. Okay. And if we check soil, we all know that black soil and well-drained loamy soil, these are like important. So where we can like cultivate this wheat, and irrigation facilities in regions with dry climate, these are also required for the cultivation of wheat. Okay, so these are all the requirements. Now if we see in the worldwide, that is wheat is grown in USA, Canada, Russia, Australia, China, India, Argentina, Ukraine and South Africa. So all these countries here, this cultivation of wheat is done. Now if we see in India, wheat is grown basically in Punjab and Haryana mostly, and of course Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So all these states, so here wheat is mostly grown. Okay, so that's all we have in this session. We will continue discussing about all the other crops in the next session. So until the next time, bye bye.